Hi everyone. I haven't put a video out all week, and if you'd like to know what I've been doing, I'm here to show you. And it's so stinking adorable. Oh my gosh. I can't contain my excitement. I may get no traffic through here because I live on a dirt road. I may get lots of traffic. Who knows? But I'm so excited for this. I just couldn't do anything else this whole week. Okay. Austin built me this gigantic farm stand. He helped me paint it. He helped me set up the stuff inside. He helped me do everything. I wouldn't be anywhere without him. But oh my gosh, look at this baby. Oh, she's so cute. All right, so my mom used to have a lavender farm. We've got all of her leftover lavender goods. We're gonna have sourdough up there. We've got some canned goods right there. We got some earrings that I made right there. We got some crochet baskets that I made right there. I have too many freaking hobbies. We're gonna have hot peppers coming soon. We've got eggs on Fridays and sourdoughs whenever I have time to make them, but I do make them extremely often and then I end up eating too much, so please come get them. There. This is the cutest thing I think I've ever done. This is the most adorable thing I've ever done. Oh my god. Look at all this. Guys, Cash App, Venmo, you can watch me be weird on YouTube. You could pay cash. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wander Grow Farms. It's a real thing now. For real. Come see us. Like and subscribe. I think I'm supposed to start saying that, but do that. And come pay $1 for all of my things. So cute.